This Ssc Chsl model test number 87. Let's try to solve the questions from general intelligence and reasoning. This question here is from syllogisms. If you observe carefully, there are 3 statements and 2 conclusions. When I look at these conclusions, the first conclusion says some horses are goats, and next it says no horse is goat. There is a possibility that my answer can be either or. Avuna kada. And moreover, in the options also we have either one or two follows. What generally happens is SSC, it does not go with either or, but if either or is present in the options and if your answer is either or, then we'll go for either or. Is this clear? First one, all goats are lions. No lion is a tiger. Some tigers are horses. What is the first conclusion? Some horses are goats is wrong. What is the second conclusion? No horse is goat. Yes, no horse is goat is right. But what is the complementary? Some horses are goats. I can bring goat here, and around goat I can draw lion. And my duty is to see lion and tiger do not touch each other. Are they touching? No. So is it possible to draw the complementary? Yes. This is wrong. But the complementary is right. The same complementary in the conclusions is wrong. What's your answer? Either 1 or 2. Do you have it in the options? Yes. If either or is not there in the options, then we'll go for neither nor. Clear? 17 to 21. I always stress, see, you should know multiplication tables. Yes or no? If you know multiplication tables, this becomes the most easiest question. When you see 17 and 221, and if you're sure with multiplication tables, you'll say that this is 17 into 13. 19 into 13 is also 247. So is 21 into 13. Is 21 into 13 273? Chapanama, how to do this? 13 into 21. First I'll go for 13 into 20. 13 into 20 is how much? 260. Plus 1 into 13. 13. 260 plus 13 is 273. All these are multiple by 13. This 23 into 13, your answer will end with 9. But what's there? 2. Is this my answer? No. So which option is my answer? Fourth option. 28. FGHI. FHGIK. Now it's written as ZXYWU. Okay, na? Now, how can I link these letters? Z, X, Y, W, U. This is 6 and this is 26. This is 8 and this is 24. 7, 25, 9, 23. This is 11 and 21. So, 6 and 26 is minus 6. Avuna kada? I can say it is minus 6. But later, it's going to the next level. 8 and 24, if I go for plus, it should be 16. Avuna kada? If I go for minus, it should be minus 10. It should be minus 10. But if I go in this way, they don't make any sense. Avuna kada? But how and what should be done, sir? This is entirely new logic. Earlier, we would have got the answers by differences, either in reverse or straight. Avuna kada? Even if you go in reverse also, you won't get any exact flow. So what's happening here ante, sum of these two is how much? 6 plus 26. 6 plus 26 and cheptuna. What is the sum? 8 plus 24. 7 plus 25, 32. 9 plus 23, 32. 11 plus 21, 32. Totally a different logic than what you have seen before. So now what am I supposed to do is MRJLP. What is M's place value? 13. 13 plus how much is 32? 19. 19 and it should be yes. What is R's place value? 18. 18 plus 14. N. J is 10. 10 plus 22. V. L is 12. 12 plus 20 will be 32. This is T. 16 plus 16. Which option is my answer? Second option. Is this clear? Now we have seen something new. Please keep this point in your mind. Now look at this question. Select the odd word, letter, number pair from the given alternatives. What's happening here? Canberra, Helsinki, Chsl and Bridgetown. As soon as you see the names of these cities, you should identify these. You have three capitals here. What are those three capitals? Canberra is capital of Australia. Helsinki is the capital of Finland. Very historic city. Bridgetown is capital of Barbados. Shekel is a currency. This is the currency of Israel. Currency of Israel. Is this clear? So what's my answer? Third option. 30. Rohit Sharma is a cricket player. Who is Rohit Sharma? A cricket player. Novak Djokovic. Is he a cricket player? No. He is a tennis player. Look at the question. Select the option in which the words share the same relationship. He said same relationship. Carolina Marin, yes, she is a badminton player. Okay, na? She is the former world champion and she is also Olympic champion. Carolina Marin. Next, PV Sindhu telusu kada evaro? Badminton. Carnivorous, frogs and amphibians. Carnivorous. What do you mean by carnivorous? Which prey on other animals or other insects. What is frog? Frog is an amphibian. At the same time, frog is also carnivorous because it preys on small insects. చిన్న చిన్న పురుగులను చంపి తినిద్ది. అర్థమవుతుందా? అప్పుడు ఏమవ్వాలి నా ఆన్సరు? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. Next, look at this question. I always tell you, we'll see by looking at the blanks, letters before and after blanks. If you observe carefully, there are two C's. How many C's? Two C's. And then there is a blank. Immediately this A is followed by N. After N there is M. So I can obviously put N here. A, N, M. How many C's? Two C's. Two C's, O, A, N, M. C, C, O, A, N, M. C, C, O, A, N, M. Which option is my answer? First option. 29 and 899. How much is this 29 and 899? What did you understand here? Amma? 29 square దగ్గరలో ఉంది అది. ఇంకా ఆలోచించండి అమ్మా. 30 square ఎంత? -1. Maybe కదా. See, I'll show you many different points here. This is 29 and this is 899. 899 is nothing but 30 square -1. 29 and then is 30 square. This is 37. Maybe 38 square -1 అయి ఉండొచ్చు కదా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 38 square will end by 4. 38 square will end by 4. 4 minus 1 అంటే units place should be 3. Is there any option which is ending with 3? No. అంటే మనం అనుకున్న లాజిక్ పోయింది. 29 30 square -1. చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను మీకు. Product of consecutive odd numbers. Product of consecutive odd numbers. Middle square -1. అవునా కదా? సో ఈ 30 square -1 అంటే మేబీ దిస్ ఇస్ 29 into 31 కదా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 3 into 5 అంటే ఏంటిది? మిడిల్ నెంబర్. 4 square -1 తెలుసు కదా. యాక్టివ్ ఉండాలమ్మా. 37. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ఇంటూ 39. ఇంటూ 39 అంటే మళ్ళీ అదే కదా వచ్చేది. 38 square -1. ఇందాక 38 square -1 I have done. I did not get what's the answer. So what's happening here, sir? Look at this 31 and 29. They are consecutive odd numbers. I agree, but there are also two consecutive prime numbers. 29. What is the prime number after 29? 31. Look at 37. 37 is also a prime number. Avuna kada? Next prime number after 37, 41. Answer should end by 7. How many options? Only one option. But still in this case, please do the exact calculation. So first right side 7, 3 ones 3, 4 sevens 28, 28 plus 3 30, oh, 31. 3 fours 12 plus 3 15, 15 17. Pakka right. Is this clear? మంచిగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఆఫ్టర్ 3 into 5 అంటే what should be multiplied after 7 అంటే it can be 9 or it can be 11. Why? Because both 3 and 5 are consecutive odd numbers as well as consecutive prime numbers. Understood? కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త ఇట్లాంటి విషయాల్లో. Now look at this question here. Look at this question. I need my answer in negative. I need my answer in negative. అంతే కదా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అంటే higher value should be negative. Moreover, there is 1.5. ఎంత కనబడుతుంది? 0.5. సరేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంట? How will you solve these questions? We'll solve these questions by చెప్పండమ్మా. We'll solve this question from first option, last option. We'll start this question from last option. So this is what you have to do here. What am I supposed to do? Please tell me one point here. Interchange those symbols. What is that? Minus and into. So this becomes minus. This becomes into. Asal 108 divided by 24 జరగలుగుతామా? 108 is not a multiple of 24 కదా. Can I go closer to 108? 24 fours. అమ్మా 96. 96కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేయాలి? 12. 12 and half of 24 కదా. అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంటూ 4.5. అవునా కాదా? అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 9 into 4.5. 9 into 4.5. అవునా కాదా? 9 into 4.5 ఓకే. కానీ నాకేమో ఆన్సర్ ఏం కావాలి? నెగిటివ్ కావాలి. ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయా? లేవు. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ అండ్ మైనస్ షుడ్ బి ఇంటర్చేంజ్. ఐఎమ్ బ్రింగింగ్ మైనస్ హియర్ and this is becoming plus. First division, then product. Product 13 into 12. Pakka huge number with negative. Pakka huge number with negative. Avuna kada? So as discussed earlier, 108 divided by 24 is 4.5. 9 plus 4.5 minus 13 into 12. Product of two consecutive numbers. 13 into 12. 13 square minus 13. Leda 12 square plus 12. తెలుసా తెలీదా? 12 square plus 12, 144 plus 12, 156. 156. This is 13.5. 13.5 minus 156. Yes, minus 142.5. Understood everyone? Yes. This is how you have to be. Fast undalama, slow unte nadavadida. Chef is related to cooking in the same way. Tailor, duty of chef is to cook. The duty of tailor is to stitch. 4 options have been given. This is a good question. Any guesses? 4, 8 to 12. Antena? Acha, 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. Identama? 11, 15, 26. Idi 16, 13, 15. 24 to 26. If I go with the differences, no, I will not get the answer. Differences impossible. Avuna kada? కానీ 4, 8, 12, 11, 15, 26, 24 to 26. Now any guesses? Sum of the first two is equals to third. Sum of the first two. 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. 11 plus 15 equals to 26. 24 plus 2 is equals to 26. This is my answer. అర్థమవుతుందా? చెప్పండి. 13 plus 16, 29 అవ్వాలి. 29 అంటే C. కానీ అక్కడ వాడు ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? ఓ, దట్స్ రాంగ్. There are some extraordinary questions in this paper. But please try to remember all those logics. Exploration, refining, crushing, separation and drilling. Exploration. Amma, what we will do first is, first we will explore something. Refining is in the last. Refining is in the last. First exploration, last is refining. Any process, whether you try to explore oil or you do something else, crude oil and all, it comes later. Refining is in the last. Exploration is the first. Which option is my answer? Amma, second option. 38 is another good one. Superb question. Gathering, Gathering, gathering. What's going on here? W, D, J, U, H, K, J, Q, L. Any guesses? If I go straight forward, will I get any answer? If I go straight, I won't get any answer. Even if I go in reverse, it doesn't make any sense. Avuna kada? You might have done this anyway. You might have tried this in the exam. See, how many number of letters are here? Amma? 9. 9 letters. How many letters? 9 letters. See, straightforward and it is something else kadamma. 7 or 23. This is 7, this is 23. And 7 plus 16. 7 plus 16. 7 plus C. C is how much? 3. 3 plus 16 is 19. There is no option which is starting with C. Avuna kada? If I go for minus also, it becomes minus 10. Enta avutundi? Minus 10. So C is 29. 29 minus 10, 19. Still S వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. అవునా కాదా? If I think about going in reverse, this is G and this is L. 7, 12 plus 5. C is 3 plus 5, H. Not even one option is ending with H. Straight పోయినా వస్తలే, reverse పోయినా వస్తలే, అసలేం అర్థమైతలే. I told you, straight, you didn't get the answer. Reverse also you didn't get the answer. We will divide this into two halves. To divide into two halves, there is a problem. The letters are 9. Can I divide into two halves? No. Maybe I can divide 4, 4 and then middle. Avuna kada? Chapandamma. Middle is 5. Kinda 8. Ante maybe plus 3. Maybe plus 3. Avuna kada? Plus 3 and what is the middle letter here? O. Amma? 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 ante R. అన్ని ఆప్షన్స్లో ఆర్ కనబడుతుంది. అవునా కాదా? ఇక్కడి నుంచి కూడా గెస్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే GUAJ కష్టం. అంతే కదమ్మా? ఒక్కటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. The number of letters is odd and they are 9. I can separate this into 3 separate groups. Now let's link them in reverse. How much? Plus 3. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Come back here. HK plus 3. EH plus 3. 1821 plus 3. 912 plus 3. 1417 plus 3. 710 plus 3. Divide the question into 3 halves and then apply plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 logic. Is this clear? Everyone? So what's the word given to us? Customs. CUSTOMISE. Customize. Chalo. 3 plus 3, 6. What is 6? F. 21 plus 3, 24. X. 19 plus 3, 22. V. Next. Reverse kada anta. 20 plus 3, 23. W. 15 plus 3, 18. R. 13 plus 3, 16. P. V, X, F, P, R, W. Still, I am not sure. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 ante L. 19 plus 3, 22. V. 5 plus 3, 8. What's the answer? Sorry, 8 ante H amma. Which option is my answer? Amma? First option. Clear? This, I'm sure you might have done this question. Many of you might have done this question. Too many numbers. P అయితే 1 అవ్వాలి లేదా 11 అవ్వాలి. అవునా కాదా? P can be either 1 or 11. If P is 11, what is 11? K. అయిపోయింది. PK. Opposite letters. PK. Opposite కాదా? ఈకి ఆపోజిట్ ఏంటిది వి 22 ఉందా లేదా ఎన్ కి ఆపోజిట్ ఎం 13 ఎస్ కి ఆపోజిట్ హెచ్ 8 ఐ కి ఆపోజిట్ ఆర్ 18 ఓ కి ఆపోజిట్ ఎల్ 12 ఎన్ కి ఆపోజిట్ ఎం 13 ఇస్ దిస్ వాట్ యు హ్యావ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ హియర్ yes or no what is opposite to f u what is u 21 what is I r 18 c x 24 t g 7 I r 18 15 12 14 13 which option చెప్పండమ్మా fourth option is this clear 40th question pointing to a photograph of a boy Ankit said amma whose photograph is being pointed boy's photograph who is the speaker Ankit what is Ankit saying his father's mother Deepika whose father's mother boy's father's mother and what is her name Deepika so boy pointing to a photograph of a boy's father's mother Deepika this woman here is Deepika okay na is my wife's sister's ma tinu Deepika who is Deepika my antevaru Ankit speaker Ankit's wife's sister's mother Ankit's wife's sister's mother is also Ankit's wife's mother kada chepandamma so Deepika who is Deepika automatically Ankit's wife's mother understood everyone my wife's sister's mother she is my wife's mother adhautunda so what's the question how is Deepika related to Ankit what's the answer mother in law 41 shall I go for the differences here I see all the numbers are 3 digits and I don't see a huge increase only a gradual increase how much is the difference here amma 9 what about this how much is this 24 next ento cheppu 49 next enta 84 9 24 49 84 కొంచెం వింత కనబడుతున్నాయి నాకేం అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు అప్పుడు నా ఇమీడియట్ డ్యూటీ ఏంటిది గో ఫర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు అర్థం కాదో నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ నువ్వు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటిది డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెన్స్ హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్ 15 హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్ 25 హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్ 30 35 55 35 49 plus 35 15 25 35 what should be next number 45 so 84 plus 45 129 385 plus 129 514 understood is this clear logic you take the differences if you don't understand immediately go for difference of difference now look at this question here I'll tell you the best way of solving this question I'll show you the best way of solving. How many elements are there inside a frame? Amma, 5 elements. Every time in the center, I see. Avuna kada. Ante ampersand is already present. Percentile undi. Hash undi. కొత్తదైతే కాదు ఉన్న వాటిల్లోనే ఒకటి మధ్యలోకి వస్తుంది అవునా కాదా అంటే అలాంటప్పుడు యాంపర్సెంట్ మళ్ళీ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా హ్యాష్ మళ్ళీ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా లేదు అసలు ఇది ఈ పర్సెంటైల్ అనేది ఉందో ప్రీవియస్ ఇమేజ్లో ఎక్కడుంది బాటమ్ రైట్ కార్నర్ ఎక్కడుంది బాటమ్ రైట్ కార్నర్ హ్యాష్ ఎక్కడుంది బాటమ్ రైట్ కార్నర్ దిస్ బాటమ్ రైట్ కార్నర్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ @ అయిపోయిందా లేదా దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ యూ గెస్ ఎనీ వన్ సింబల్ దట్ వాస్ ఈజీ నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ హియర్ select the option which the number is related to the same way as are the numbers in the given set same way 7 and 63 you see చాలా చాలా స్పష్టంగా అర్థమైపోతుంది 7 into 9 7 into 9 63 and this is 567 7 into 9 can I say this is also into 9 yes 63 into 9 first 60 into 9 540 3 into 9 27 540 27 567 clear so 10 into 9 90 90 into 9 800 కాదు 9 into 9 81 81 into 9 729 is this clear Which option is my answer? Second option. Now look at this question here. 10th November 2002 is a Thursday. Then what day of the week will be 25th December 2004? Under board by chudali. 10th November 2002. 2004 అడుగుతుంది కదా చెప్పండమ్మా. But 10th November 2004. How many years? 2 years. Do you see a leap year in between them? Yes. 2004 is a leap year. దాంట్లో we are covering February. అంటే 1 extra odd day. ఇప్పుడు 10th నవంబర్ నుంచి ఎక్కడ పోవాలి? 25th December 2004. Already we have covered 10 days in November. How many more days? 20 days. 20 అంటే మనకి we'll consider it as 6. 7 to 14 remainder 6. Any number we need to convert into odd days. Don't blindly write it as 20. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? ఎన్నైంది? 6. మళ్ళీ 25 days of December. 7 3 is 21. Remainder 4. This is 3 and this is 4. అంటే 7. 7 is nothing but 0. అప్పుడు మిగిలిపోయింది ఏంటిది? 6. 6 days from today అంటే it is not exactly the same day. ఒక రోజు ముందుకు వస్తాం. ఓకేనా? ఇవాళ ఏమిటి? ఫ్రైడే. When will I get the next Friday? Exactly on the 7th day. Then what will be the 6th day? Thursday. అట్లాగే క్వశ్చన్లో వాడు ఏం చెప్పిండు? థర్స్డే. 6th day ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ టు థర్స్డే వెనస్డే. అయిపోయిందా? ఎస్, సింపుల్. ఆ స్పీడ్ ఉండాలమ్మా అంతే. అయితే ఇది హౌ మెనీ క్యూబ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ అరేంజ్మెంట్? ఇది టాక్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ దోస్ విచ్ ఆర్ విజిబుల్ టు అస్. కనపడిన వాటి గురించి అవసరం లేదు. హౌ మెనీ అమ్మా? 3 here, sorry 4 here, 3 here and 1. 4 3 1 8. I can see another 3 here, 11, and this is 1. How much is that? 12. 46. Shahrukh starts and driving from point A. He travels for how many? Amma? 12 kilometers towards north. Shahrukh is going 12 kilometers towards north from A. Next, he takes a right turn and travels for 20. He now drives 8 kilometers taking to his left. Paiki veltunadu 8 left. Finally, he takes a left turn. North nodiki left and 20 and stop exactly parallel to A. Because this is 20 and this is also 20. And stops at point B. How far is A with respect to B? 12 plus 8. How much is that? 20 kilometers. 47. This is an extraordinary question. Any guesses? Chepandama? You're not sure whether you're supposed to go for column operation or row operation. Avuna kada? Manchi question amma. Cheppaka ee roju paper lo chaala manchi questions unnai. Differences తీసుకో, ఇంకోటి చేయి, అది చేయి, ఇది చేయి, ఏం చేసినా నీకు ఆన్సర్ రాదు. అర్థమవుతుందా? అస్సలు స్టోరీ ఏంది అంటే 5 into 8 is how much? 5 plus 2? ఎంత కనిపించిందా? ఇట్లానే ఉంటుంది ఎస్ఎస్సి అంటే. అప్పుడప్పుడు మైండ్ బ్లాక్ అవుతుంది. చూడు 4 9. 4 into 9 is how much? 36. 69. 6 plus 9 is how much? 15. 36 plus 15 is how much? 51. Similarly, I'll do the same thing. 4 into 8, 32. 5 plus 5, 10. 32 plus 10, 42. Do you have 42 in the options? Yes, this is the answer. అయితే ఇట్లాంటి లాజిక్లు గుర్తుపట్టాలంటే ఒక సపరేట్ స్పార్క్ ఉండాలి మనిషి కళ్ళల్లో. వాడు ఎన్నో క్వశ్చన్లు చేసి ఉండాలి. ఆ నెంబర్లు చూస్తూ చూస్తూ టక్మన్ మైండ్కి ఒక థాట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అప్పుడే వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. అది ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ. అర్థమవుతుందా అమ్మా? అంటే ఒకటి, ఇఫ్ యూ సీ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లాజిక్స్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫెమిలియర్ విత్ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లాజిక్స్, దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ సమ్ ఐడియా. ఐ నీడ్ టు థింక్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే ఆల్సో. అవునా కదా? So what I suggest is for SSC, practice more and more questions of this type. Because SSC in reasoning, he'll always play game with numbers and letters. He'll always play games with numbers and letters. Prelims, regular story. Tier 1, regular story. Now Tier 2 also they started asking questions in reasoning. I told you on that day while briefing you all in the class, now don't expect them to ask the same questions and Cheppina leda. Now in Tier 2, he will touch those areas which are not regularly asked in Tier 1. So what has he done there? He has asked questions from critical reasoning. Adiginda leda. Tier 2 lo. At least minimum 3 to 4 questions he has asked. If you were able to solve at least 2 questions from critical reasoning, you would have scored 6 marks. How many marks? 6 marks. Because in Tier 2, each question carried how many marks? 3 marks. Chudandamma. Many people are scared of critical reasoning. Those people have left it. That word is what I say. How will you differentiate the best from the worst? This is what it goes on. జల్లెడ పట్టాలి అందరిని ఎట్లా ఏం చేయాలి ఎవరు చేయనివి కొంతమంది చేసే క్వశ్చన్లే అడగాలి అవి ఇట్లాంటివి ఈ ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ మనం చేసుంటే ఎంత % ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ విల్ గెట్ దట్ లాజిక్ దిస్ 47 క్వశ్చన్ out of 100 maybe 3 to 4 students will get this idea. How many? And a maximum 3% or 4%. These are those 3 and 4% people who get jobs. Because 97 failed and only 3 have answered it right. And the difference between the marks is 2 marks or 3 marks. Imagine. ఇట్లాంటివి చేయాలి కిక్కిచ్చే క్వశ్చన్లు చేయాలి అప్పుడు జాబ్ వస్తుంది నెక్స్ట్ ABCDFG are sitting in a row, all of them are facing east. All of them are facing east. మనమేమో ఇప్పుడు వరకు we have done questions facing north and facing south. All of them are facing east అంటే ఈస్ట్కి తిరిగి చేయాలనా అట్లాంటి పనులు చేయకండి నార్తే తీసుకోండి ఎక్సెప్ట్ సౌత్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ నార్త్ ఓకేనా ఏందంట బీ సీట్స్ అట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ ఎండ్స్ మొత్తం ఎంతమంది పీపుల్ ఎంతమంది అమ్మా B sits at one of the extreme ends and E is an immediate neighbor. B, E, or else I still have a possibility this is B and this is E. Avuna kada? B sits at one of the extreme ends. E is an immediate neighbor. G is between E and F. C is second to the, come on, C is second to the left of D. C is second to the left of D. E is sitting on the right of A. E is sitting on the right of A. Now what should I do, sir? What can be the things that I can do here? Em chedam? Etla solve chedam? G is between E and F. G is between E and F. See, linear arrangement lo between ante it can be anywhere kada. చెప్పండి ఏం చేద్దాం how many answers will I get only one answer or will I get multiple answers amma will I get only one answer or multiple answers చెప్పాలి amma will I get only one answer or multiple answers G is between E and F and he says E is sitting to the right of A. Right of A ante ide kada idaithe pakka waste ayipoyindi case ippudu okay there is one small mistake that has crept into the question one small mistake what is that one small mistake ante G is immediate neighbor of E and F. What రాయాల్సిన పదం ఏంటిది G is immediate neighbor of E and F. అది మిస్ అయింది G is between E and F అన్నది mistake. G is an immediate neighbor of E and F. While printing, I think this error might have crept in. Please make a correction. G is immediate neighbor of E and F. G is immediate neighbor of E and F. So this is G, this is F. So C and D, this is C, this is D, and this is A. Clear? What's the question? Who is fourth to the left of E? Fourth to the left of E and ఎవరమ్మా? A. చిన్న మిస్టేక్ అండి, కరెక్షన్ చేసుకోండి. Now look at this question. I need what is opposite to 4. When I observe very carefully here, this is 1. 1, 1 on the left side. Avuna kada? 5, 3, 2, 6 different numbers. Avuna kada? Then automatically 5 is opposite to 3, 2 is opposite to 6. 1, there is only one number left out and it is 4. Out of 6 numbers in the dice, we'll have only 3 pairs. 3 opposite pairs. Avuna kada? So 1 is opposite to 4. Question is, what is opposite to 4? 1. Question number 50. Mirror image. And mirror is placed on the right side or left side? Chapandama. Which option is my answer? Pakka third option. No doubt about it. Any other doubts? So please, emantam ee paper dayandamma, because some of the questions